What if paralysis wasn't permanent? For decades, tetraplegia has been considered irreversible. But Brazilian scientists from the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro are challenging that idea with a groundbreaking experimental drug. Tetraplegia affects millions of people worldwide. It occurs when the spinal cord is severely damaged, interrupting communication between the brain and the body. Until now, treatment options have been limited to rehabilitation, not recovery. But a research team in Brazil may be opening a completely new path. When the spinal cord is injured, neurons die or stop communicating. Unlike other tissues, nerve cells in the central nervous system do not regenerate easily. This is why paralysis has long been considered permanent. The challenge is not just healing tissue, it's restoring communication between neurons. Researchers from UTFRJ developed an experimental compound designed to stimulate neural regeneration. Instead of replacing neurons, the drug aims to reactivate existing neural pathways. In laboratory studies and early experimental models, the results were surprising. Subjects previously unable to move began to recover partial motor function. If these results are confirmed in clinical trials, the implications are enormous. This research suggests that paralysis may not always be permanent. It challenges decades of scientific assumptions. And it offers something incredibly rare in medicine: hope backed by science. It's important to be clear. This is not a commercial treatment yet. The drug is still under research and testing. Science takes time, and responsible validation is essential. This discovery highlights the strength of Brazilian science. Even with limited funding, researchers continue to push boundaries. Innovations like this remind us that world-changing science doesn't only come from the richest countries, it comes from determined minds. The future of spinal cord injury treatment may be closer than we think. If you want to see more science stories that change how we see the world, subscribe, like this video, and share it.